Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're starting now. Make sure your phone is updated and set to automatic network time because codes depend on accurate clock sync. Open the official App Store, install Google Authenticator, and grant basic permissions when prompted. Once done, sign into the account you want to secure on a separate browser or app and find its two-step verification or security settings. Keep backup codes visible or printed. These are essential if you lose your phone later. Now you link the account. In your account's security settings, pick two-step verification, then select the option for an Authenticator app. You'll see either a QR code or an alphanumeric secret. Open Google Authenticator and tap to add an account. Allow the camera and scan the QR. If scanning fails, choose manual entry and type the secret exactly. Once the app shows a 6-digit rotating code, return to the account page and enter that code to verify the pairing. Finalize setup by saving backup codes and enabling any recovery options the service offers, because they rescue you if the phone is lost. Test the sign-in process immediately to confirm the authenticator's codes allow access. If something goes wrong, codes rejected, or you can't sign in, first make sure your phone's time is set to automatic network time, then try re-adding the account using the secret. If needed, use backup codes to regain access and repeat the setup steps carefully.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.